Liam and the Rainbow Flock. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and sun-drenched meadows, there lived a cheerful little boy named Liam. Liam wasn't like most kids in the neighborhood. While others collected toy cars or action figures, Liam had something far more colorful and lively: a flock of parrots, each one as unique as a drop of paint on an artist's palette. It all started on his 7th birthday when his parents surprised him with a bright green parrot named Kiwi. Kiwi was talkative, cheeky, and loved to sit on Liam's shoulder, squawking cheerful tunes. But one parrot wasn't enough. Soon after, Liam's uncle brought him a sunny yellow parrot named Sunny, who loved to whistle along with songs on the radio. Then came Ruby, a red parrot with shiny feathers that gleamed in the sunlight, followed by Azure, a calm blue parrot who loved to mimic the sounds of raindrops. Before long, Liam's backyard had turned into a rainbow-colored paradise. His parents helped him build a large aviary where the parrots could fly freely, hop between perches, and play with hanging toys. But Liam's favorite moments were when he let them out to play. The parrots, loyal and playful, would follow him around like little flying kites, their vibrant wings fluttering in the sky. Every Saturday, Liam's friends from the neighborhood would come over, drawn by the stories of the Rainbow Flock. Max, who loved to draw, often sketched the parrots as they posed proudly on branches. Emily, who adored animals, spent hours teaching Ruby new words, giggling every time Ruby mimicked her laugh. Sam, the quietest of the group, found a special friend in Azure, who would sit patiently on his arm while he read aloud. The backyard echoed with laughter, chirps, and the flutter of wings. The parrots played games too. They loved hide and seek, often hiding in the leafy branches only to burst out in a flurry of color when Liam called their names. Sometimes, Liam would tie light ribbons to their tiny feet, and they would soar through the sky, leaving trails of red, blue, yellow, and green against the clouds. One summer afternoon, as the sun dipped low, painting the sky in hues of gold and purple, Liam noticed Kiwi acting strangely. The green parrot flapped its wings urgently, flying in circles before perching on Liam's head. Following Kiwi's lead, Liam and his friends discovered a tiny, frightened parrot chick tangled in the tall grass near the fence. With gentle hands and worried hearts, they brought it inside. The friends named her Luna, for her soft, moon-gray feathers. Under Liam's care, Luna grew stronger, and though she never became as bold as Ruby or as loud as Kiwi, she fit right into the Rainbow Flock. Her soft songs added a new melody to the backyard symphony. As the years passed, the bond between Liam, his friends, and the parrots grew stronger. His backyard became a place of stories, laughter, and flying colors, a world where kids and birds lived in harmony, painting the sky with joy. And even as Liam grew older, whenever he saw a flash of red, blue, green, or yellow in the sky, he smiled, knowing his rainbow flock was still out there, soaring high.